What's up, guys? Sorry that there was a delay with videos this week. Or the past couple weeks. I have been actually waiting for this package. There's actually a lot of updates I need to talk to you guys about too when it comes to this block, what happened to the old block, blah, blah, blah. And yes, you might be wondering what happened to the old block because this is a new block. This is not the JDM B16 that I originally started to plan. And yeah, so yeah, this box is from CSS and I got the standard CSS and I had them deck it. So the block is not in the best condition when it comes to like cleanliness. But everything's there. There's nothing that I saw was cracked. All the mains look good, stuff like that. I also got a new crank, blah, blah, blah. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it is. I got my trusty Benchmade here and let's start seeing. All right, so let's see what this has. Close the knife. Open this up. And man, did they package this well. They really know how to package it. Holy crap. There she is. Woo. Got some stickers. Those are dope. See if I can rip all this stuff out. All right, guys. So after pulling it out of the box over there, the box actually, or the sealant that they use, is like a like expandable foam, I guess you can call it. And that it hugged it well. I struggled quite a bit getting it out of the box. That's why you guys saw this cut. But as you can see, they milled their own block art in there. It even says CSS on the corner, which is really sick. I didn't even know that they did that. But yeah, this block is really cool because it's rated at 700 horsepower. However, this is, like I said in the beginning, not the JDM B16. This is a B16A2 out of a 99 Civic Si. I will update you guys in the future as to why I went with this block and how I came to actually get this block. The JDM B16 is gone. I went with this block due to various reasons, and I'll update you guys in another video. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. What I had them do is I had them just do the standard CSS. The high horsepower CSS, they recommend O-rings, and I didn't really want to do that because I just feel like drivability, because this is going to be kind of a daily driver. I say that now, but I'm probably only going to race it. But yeah, it's going to be more or less, I want it to be like a street drag car kind of thing. It's gonna be a long process, but I'm in it to win it. Hopefully it doesn't go into a big fireball, but it is what it is. I am gonna tell you guys the specs on a different video. I'm going a little over when the stock bore, putting a little bigger pistons in it, stock crank, stuff like that. Don't know what I'm gonna do with the head yet. The head, like I said in the last video, is a stock GSR head. Maybe not eventually stock, but I will be doing stuff like that. But yeah, this is what it is. Block's rated for 700 horsepower. We'll ever see that? I have no idea, but yeah, the start of hopefully something really cool. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it down in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer them. And yeah, here's to a very slow / fast Civic. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.